Hi, good afternoon, all you beautiful people out there. This is my first video, and of course, for this channel, basically. This is Nisha Williams here, and I've recently opened a salon here in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, which is heart of the city, heart of Navi Mumbai, and it's open right bang on Sector 10 Main Road, which is next to SBI ATM. And the name of the salon is Anya's Family Salon. I'm sure people who reside in Vashi or for that matter Mumbai, I would love to invite all you people, as and when you get a chance, please do visit Anya's Family Salon. And I'm very sure once you visit, you would come back for our hospitality, our services, and the kind of work we do, which is the most important factor today. We have a lot of salons, but I'm pretty sure with the kind of products, the services, the staff that we have, you would be definitely coming back to our salon. I would really request all of you who are watching this video to please like and subscribe to my channel, as we would be coming up with a lot of latest updates in terms of keratin, smoothening, straightening, a lot of other hair treatments, as well as facials, products, prices, and of course some methods as well. So again, a humble request that please like and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss on any updates coming up soon. Before I sign off, a quick tip for most of our viewers who are really looking to have a healthy and glowing skin, which is probably free of pimples and stuff. A very simple thing that all of you, I'm sure, can do, it hardly takes few minutes, is first thing when you get them in the morning, make sure that you have 1 to 2 glasses of warm water, lukewarm water, which is not very hot and not cold. And if you drink this 2 glasses of warm water every day for at least 15 days and a month, which you definitely should continue over your lifetime, I can guarantee you, you will start seeing results within 15 to 20 days, a maximum a month. And I would request, once you really start seeing results, continue this for a lifetime. It's one of the most inexpensive, most easiest therapies that you can do to make sure that you flush out toxins from your body, at the same time have that beautiful glowing skin. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more updates and more skincare tips and tricks and makeup tips and tricks and videos. I'll catch up soon with you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Take care. Bye bye.